morning everyone. Hope you're doing absolutely wonderful. Bright sunny day and we are on for a ride. So for today this is a lineup. A huge team today. Well, all the Royal Enfields and one. We have X-Pulse today. So let's see how the ride goes. This is my Himalayan. This is Sunil's Himalayan. This is Sangeeta's Thunderbird X. This is Adi's. Oh my. So today I'm getting my ride partner in crime. That is Aditya's bike. And as we are like old crime partners in ride. Okay. So today another rider. He's the bull. His bike looks like a bull and he's also a bull. अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं डांगी रेलवे क्रॉसिंग एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर वन ऑफ अ राइडर फ्रेंड. भाई साहब जब भी डिसाइड करते हैं कि राइड पे जाएंगे धूप होता है यार. और जब डिसाइड करते हैं आज राइड पे आज राइड पे नहीं जाना है तब धूप नहीं होता है. ऐसा ही होता है हमारे राइडर्स लोग के साथ. So these are all the people who are going with me today. These are the new people, the new generation guys. All heavy discussions going on, obviously about the ride, but this handler is good. Cube, S Cube.
Bibu was telling, na?
How are you?
Hello.
You had your breakfast? You had your breakfast?
Yes, I did.
You did? What you did?
I had omelette and I had paneer.
Got something for us?
Yes, I got kala chana.
Only kala channa?
It's going to be awesome.
So he's the bull.
Nice ride.
You are the bull of a group. He's a handsome hunk. He's the hero. And he is my partner in crime actually. My ride partner. Right? You are connected or not connected now? Okay. Say your name. Sunil. So how is the experience today?
बहुत बढ़िया लागिला आज.
ଭଲ ହେଲା? ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ଆହୁରି. How is the experience guys? Good?
ଆଗରେ ଭଲ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କରିବ.
Sure?
ବଢିଆ ଜାଗା.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So he's saying like we'll get good experience ahead. Let's see. All set. And our ride for today to the hills starts. our ninja brothers, Debashish and Siddharth, and then Aditya. Today's ride is very exciting actually, because a lot of people have joined today for the ride. वो मज़ा नहीं आता है अगर आप एक दो जन जाओ राइड के लिए. When you go in a herd, then there's the magic of the ride. So now that is the trail. You're not a bumpy ride. So this was a very bumpy ride actually. All our bikes made it, man. All our bikes. Aditya, how was the ride? And how was the off-roading? Very good, na? On your Continental GT? You again did it? Wow! Yes. We did it actually. Satar, how was the ride?
On my TVX 350.
Good, na?
Yeah, it's awesome.
So far, so good?
Yeah.
Thank you. Devashish bhai, we'll give a new name, Superman. Yeah.
Angry young man.
Angry young man, okay. So angry young man, how was the ride on your Ninja?
Nice.
I need good bed.
Awesome? Yeah. You did it, wow, but like you both did it was very good. Dr. Sunil, so how was it? How was the experience? Great, na? Like I'm just dying to do it. Correct, actually. It was a warm-up session, right?
I thought it would be around 2-3 kilometers of off-road.
Correct.
With trenches.
Correct.
With the rocks, boulders.
And actually what I was
And
expecting...
we just need a little bit of humps so that you can make a jump.
Okay.
Got it. In slow-mo.
Okay.
That's what we'll do.
And what I was expecting some slushy roads also, so the bikes will slip. Okay, yeah, I think we'll get that.
That's the reason that I put this gear on so that I can...
Great. Thank you. So how was the bumpy ride today?
First time
On
a Ninja.
Yeah.
off-roading
Yeah.
to a hill.
Yeah.
So awesome experience.
Awesome?
Oh, yes, awesome.
It was a Fado experience.
Fado. Done. Fado. Pakka Fado.
With the bull, they made it. And they made it like real time. Very good. Somebody always good. Having food. So this is my beast. And this is how it looks. The top view. So all the riders are ready. We just had a breakfast. And we had egg, breads for breakfast. All having a wonderful time gossiping. So now we'll ride back. We have more places to discover today. Let's see, let's go. So there's a mandir up here. This place looks very beautiful. So you went by which way? Which way? That way? Okay. Okay. So this is how it looks from the top. Wow. The view is awesome.
Yes, it is.
Whoa. Paisa feels like falling down. It's too deep. So we, yeah. Pindi. So we have felicitated some of our riders with bands. Right safe, right दबा के. चलो. हाथ लगा. So we are felicitating some of the riders, the bands. Yeah.
ये मौके से पूरा फील है हाँ
Thank you.
So this band we give all to our riders, our fellow riders who ride with us. ठीक है?
जिस राइड में जाएगा मैं तेरा पीछे
मेरा लो मेरा अच्छे वीडियो लेना
You got a band for me. आज तुम्हारे शो में रहूंगा मैं.
Definitely.
जहाँ पे भी रहेगा मैं तेरी रक्षा करूंगा.
करोगे definitely. Yeah. Thank you.
Why is she not having a band?
Initially. Thank you. Thanks, Aditya. How hogi? Oh, done. Yes. Thank you. Let's rock. Treacherous experience today. So you can see the fencing. We are about to come here. The trees have fallen. अभी 2-3 दिन पहले ही हुआ था, थंडरस्टॉर्म हुआ था, तो ये टूट गया है. ये पेड़ यहाँ से टूट गया actually. So we can't go. So this is the fence for the elephants actually. Because this is an elephant trench. So all the bikers lined up.
याद है? कब याद है? बट हम गाते नहीं.
Yes.
सॉन्ग यार.
So now we're planning to. We're going to turn down. Yes. So we'll turn back. The beast. Some 10,000 volts of, not 10,000 of course. The current is on because one of our rider he got a shock. These are for the elephants. So this is the road which we came now. Treacherous experience, as I said. I'm going down to take a small snap of everyone. And finally today's ride comes to an end. It was a very small short ride actually. It was up and down some 60 or 80 kilometers. Guys, thank you all for watching my vlog. Hope you all are doing safe at your home. And do subscribe to my channel, Bibs Stringman. I'll be coming soon again with lots of rides, off-roads and good roads and good patches and bad patches. Thanks a lot.